Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to put brackets on multiple lines in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. This technique is especially useful for mathematical equation systems or equations, group text and structure formatting, where one brackets needs to cover multiple lines. In this video, we will discover the correct method using equation editor and brackets structures to create clean and properly aligned multi-line bracket in Word. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. We can see here assignment on my college. Now I am at a multiple bracket line. Go to first the insert menu, click the equation drop down menu and go to insert new equation, then go to the design menu of equation, then we can see here the brackets drop down menu. Now I go the multiple brackets and insert it, then write your text. Now I am write A, then write B and write C. Here we can see here multiple brackets we added. Now we can see we add the multiple brackets in one line very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching friends.